friends, running Kimono here. So this is the Walgreens preview for the week of the 27th right till October the 3rd. So we have a new month over at Walgreens, and this will signify the month of October. And even though this doesn't start on the 1st, it always starts on the Sunday of the new month. So hopefully that's crystal clear. There's always people in the comments are like, the new month doesn't start till October the 1st. No, it actually starts on September the 27th. Look at your big book of savings to see that date turnover. So again, we're looking at September the 27th for the new month. So with that, there will be a new big book of savings. If you want to grab a sneak peek of some of the newer coupons, what I would suggest is to go into your digital coupons folder. They're probably going to be listed at the bottom, and everything will say sneak peek because it's not yet to be activated. Because IVC coupons, you can either load digitally or you can get them to scan it out of the book. So yeah, there will be new monthly deals as well. So possibly we'll have like really awesome deals Sunday moving forward. And there will also be a new beauty event for this month of October. And then on Sunday, all the different apps, Walgreens, Rite Aid, Dollar General, Meijer, whatever, there will be new P&G coupons for the month of October. So please make sure you take a second to load all of your digital coupons so you'll have them at your fingertips to use them digitally. Definitely the $2 Tide. There's a 5 off of 2 for the Febreze. There's a lot of really good coupons in the October P&G. So just load all of them and, on the different apps so you will be organized for the month of October. So a couple of the monthly deals that we're going to talk about include a buy two, get the third for free on hair care. So with the beauty event, this might be kind of an interesting one. And also, there's going to be a buy two, get the third for free on dental care products. Now, with that, whenever they do this little thing and they just slide that in, the register rewards or points for dental care, it's all gone for the month. So if you have been sleeping on deals for dental care and you have a lot of high value Crest coupons or what have you, I would do them by the 26th, because when the 27th rolls over, that's a new month, and they're a casino that does not like to lose, so they will not have many offers with register rewards or points for dental care. It will be this promotion, which is buy two, get one for free. Also, in your digital coupons folder, I believe last Wednesday this guy popped up. Mine was 10,000 points when I spend 55. As I'm not independently rich, I will not be doing this. But some of you got 5,000 points when you spend 20. And the valid dates for this are the 27th to the 3rd, so that specific week. And if you do have the spend 20, get 5,000, you have to pay cash for the balance. So cash, credit card, debit card, pennies, whatever you have, do not use points to pay down your balance. Yes, you can use register rewards if you might have some, but if you're trying to use points or IVC coupons or Walgreens coupons, those will not work. So again, I would also check my account on October the 1st to see if you get one of those goofy, do 8 transactions at $20 a pop, get back 5,000 points or what have you. Usually that always shows up on the 1st. Okay, so the first little deal that we're going to talk about, and this is not a bad price point for Tide, it's $4.99. $2 digital coupon showing up on Sunday morning for both the liquid and the pod, so it is your choice. So grabbing one of those products for $4.99, subtracting the $2 digital, you're left with paying $2.99. If you want to use points for this, by all means, throw in 3,000 points and you should be laughing all the way to your car. One other thing I want to mention too, whoever is programming these digital coupons, sometimes they'll say that they're in the ad, but they don't show up till later in the week. So just be mindful of that. Don't shoot the messenger. It's in the ad, but I don't know who's working over there programming these digitals, but sometimes, like we saw that last week with the Tresemme, it was kind of strange. So just be a little bit patient. If it doesn't show up first thing on Sunday, check on Monday. It probably should be there. Okay, and now we have 2 bricks of gold for $4.99. Anytime there's paper for this cost, when it's the Cottonelle or Viva family, make a deal happen. Grab 2 of these or mix and match. $4.99 a pop, that's $9.98. Now here in Michigan, you can use your points to pay down some of your tax. I would throw in 10,000 points, pay down the balance of the tax. Yes, it is a loss of 10,000 points, but if you consider the retail for these products are like, $8 plus per item, so it'd be like $16 for two. I think this is just a really great stock up price leading into the winter months. If you do not want to be hauling large things of paper in and out of the store, this is just a really great deal considering how expensive Cottonelle and Viva are on non-sales weeks. Okay, so now we have a little deal here, a $5 register reward when you buy two participating Revlon Almay Those Good products. So obviously we're looking for really inexpensive products, or even maybe try with clearance products. We have nothing to lose here. There are no manufacturer coupons because all of them expire on the 26th of September, so that kind of sucks. But going with Revlon, the cheapest little lip balm that they have, it's called a Kiss Balm. They're $4.99 a pop, so for two of them, guys, that's $9.98. I would throw in 10,000 points. Get back your $5 register reward. Yes, it's a loss of 5,000 points, but hey, you get some really inexpensive lip balms for $2.49 a pop. If you want to use points to pay down this balance and to get that register reward, that's perfectly fine and okay. But yeah, just a great little deal right here. And we're definitely going to have to see what is and is not included on Sunday morning for this promotion. Okay, now we're going to talk about these Febreze plugs. $4.99. The magical 5 off of 2 digital coupon will be showing up on Sunday morning. So it is for these plugs, refills, that sort of stuff. If you love this Febreze line, grab two of them, priced at $4.99. That's $9.98. Subtracting that 5 off of 2 digital, that will be showing up on Sunday morning. You're left with paying $4.99 out of pocket for the two, or $2.49 per product. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance, go for it. Now I know a lot of stores there is Febreze plugs on clearance. So if you can find two items that equal to $5, you can by all means use this digital coupon and it should work. So good luck with that, guys. But I know a lot of air care is on clearance. So this might be like a little, just snoop around the store and see what you can come up with. Use your Walgreens app to scan the barcode to see if the coupon is attaching and just make something happen. Okay, so now we have another deal on the cereal, $1.99. There will be a 50-cent digital coupon showing up on Sunday morning, dropping it down to $1.49. I guess that's okay. But if you go over to your Ibotta app, guess what? We have a $1 rebate on this frosted marshmallow cereal. This has been part of it for the last couple times they had this promotion. Make sure you have it on your Ibotta account. Grabbing one box of the Kellogg's Frosted Marshmallow Cereal for $1.99. That 50-cent digital should be coming off. You'll be left with paying $1.49. Submitting $1 to Ibotta, making your box 49 cents. And if you wish to use points to pay down your balance, go for it. Okay, now we're going to talk about some Kind bars. Buy two for $1.99. Get one for free. And it says Kind nutritional bars, selected varieties. So I don't usually ever buy this at Walgreens, but pairing it with some Ibotta rebates, possibly we might have a deal. And we're going to have to double, triple check that things are tagged and they're working with the app, the Ibotta app on Sunday morning. So this is just a theory deal. Grabbing two of these chocolate ones. That sounds like protein to me, or energy bars. And then one of these energy bars as well. So hopefully everything's tagged and working because I would love for this deal to work out. So we're going to grab three of them. Remember, it's on a buy two, get one for free. So it's going to be $3.98, $1.99 times two. Make sure one is energy and then two are chocolates. So that's a $2 rebate, $1 for the energy, $2.50 centers for the chocolate. It drops it down to $1.98 for the three, or 66 cents per bar. So really pay attention when you're in the store. Open up the Ibotta app to make sure that you're grabbing the right ones and your rebates work in correspondence with what's on sale. And it is okay to pay with points too for the balance for this one. But yeah, this might be a great deal, especially if you love the Kind bars. It's not full price, that is for sure. Okay, so the next little deal that we have here is with the Pampers diapers. So for all the parents out there, this one is specifically for you. So the diapers are $9.99. There's going to be a $1.50 digital coupon showing up on Sunday morning in your Walgreens app. Plus, there's also $1.50 coupons found in the October P&G. 6,000 points when you buy three. This is a buy deal. This is not a spend deal. Thus, you can use points. This is what the $1.50 coupon looks like in the October P&G. So you will need two of these. And as per the verbiage there, first deck of the coupon, you can actually use two of these and that, it should work. So looking at this, guys, grabbing 3 bags of those Pampers at $9.99, that's a sum of $29.97. We have $1.50 digital plus $2.50s from the October P&G. That shaves off $3 right there. Your new total is $25.47. Because this is a buy deal, I would use 20,000 points. Pay $574 out of pocket, get back your 6,000 points. Yes, it is a loss of 20,000 points, but hey, you got 3 bags of diapers. It is okay to use points in this specific scenario. Now, alternatively, if you might have this guy, which is a booster, and then also if you might have the digital booster, you can do the first scenario I'm about to show you. And if you have both, you can do a different scenario I will also show you. So looking at the math again, so grabbing 3 bags, subtracting the $4.50 in coupons. At this point, I would scan the booster, have it also, or you can have it loaded. You would have to pay $25.47 cash out of pocket, and then you would get back 11,000 points with one 5,000 booster. If you have both the paper and the digital, you'll get back 16,000 points. So it's either going to be $14.47 for the 3 with one 5,000 booster. And if you have both a paper and a digital, it'll be $9.47 for the 3 or $3.15 per bag of diapers. Now, let's not forget, for this specific scenario, you must pay cash, as your booster is spend 20, get back 5,000. But how exciting is this one? Okay, guys, let's talk about some honorable mentions. Now, if you might get no boosters, you might want to consider getting a flu shot there, because they're going to give you a $5 off when you spend 20. When you get your flu shot, you're supposed to get this before Halloween, so you will be healthy and, in a great place to fight the flu this winter. And I need to get one too. Also, this little deal, $2.99, there'll be a $1 coupon starting on Sunday morning, dropping the fabric softener, the dryer sheets, or the Tide Simply and Clean down to $1.99. Last week we were getting it much cheaper, but if you are in dire need for this, this is not the worst price. Now this, I love it when they put this in the flyer, but you can never find these in the store. If I would see these double packs of these disinfectant wipes, I would fall over, and die in the aisle. Because I have not seen these guys since February. And even $4 each, that's a little bit, but using points to pay this down, like grab $2 in candy and throw it with this, because most stores are like 2 per person per lifetime for this important stuff. But whenever I walk into the store, there is not one disinfectant wipe to be had or found. So I would love to see a whole display of this, but maybe that's why it's just an honorable mention, because it's a dream that will never happen, ever. Now, lots of perfumes, colognes, that stuff, $10 off. If the perfume is on clearance, I know that the freebie guy a couple weeks ago snagged like a beautiful bottle of like Calvin Klein, some ladies' perfume for like $1 and some change. You might want to keep an eye out for that, especially if you like these nicer perfumes. Hey, that might be a Christmas gift. Now, if you might have register rewards from the week previous, this would be a superb filler item, which are these teas, which will be 2 for $1, so basically 50 cents each. And nothing bad about that. I always like to grab one of these, especially when it's like warmer outside. And then the Halloween stuff will be on a promotion of buy one, get one 50% off. It's still really expensive, but if you want to decorate, this might be a way to do it on the cheap. Throw in a bunch of points so you're not really feeling this one out of pocket. These are both IVC deals, the next 2 ones. These will be $1.99 with the $1 off 2 coupon. So it would be $1.99 per bag for these little Kit Kat minis for Halloween, treat of the week. And then there's another $1 off 4 Walgreens coupon for these Hershey bars, for the single bars. So it would be 4 for $2 or 50 cents per bar. Not the worst price, that is for sure. Now, this is the final thing we're going to talk about, these Branches candy corn. I see the one in the middle called Turkey Dinner. So it's supposed to be one of those, like, you're going to have some turkey, some peas, some corn, gravy, and it's going to be in the form of candy corn. A little thing that they just kind of slid in. There hasn't been a lot of marketing for this, and I'm wondering if this might take off as a really big, like, eBay item to sell. So if you are into flipping things, like, why not grab a couple of these bags and sit on them? As we get closer to Thanksgiving, will this be the item that it's going to end up on, a morning show somewhere and everybody will be talking about it, or some popular, viral video that people are trying this and like, oh my God. So anyhow, heading over to eBay, people are already listing it because people see the value in this. And if you are a reseller flipper, or if that is your side hustle, you might see some value in this too. It's a novelty item. It's fun. And maybe you could send it to everybody you know and socially distance and celebrate Thanksgiving. I don't know. But just throw this on your radar, especially if, eBay might be your side hustle. I think this product might have some traction to it. And it might sell out like crazy. So if you can grab a couple bags, especially if you're a reseller, just throwing this one in your back pocket. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.